Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to easily create transparent background for your image in PhotoPea. Let's get started. First, click on File, then Open and find your picture. Now click on Object Selection and choose Quick Selection. Select the object you want to make transparent. Get rid of unwanted areas, ensuring you have clean selection. Click Select and choose Inverse. Now delete the background by pressing Delete. This removes entire background, leaving only your selected object. Now click File, then Export as and choose PNG. Don't export as JPEG, as PNG will maintain transparent background. Save the file. And that's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.